This project is a total of £1.9 million, which will carry out a staged approach to retrofit, which will be a demonstrator and pilot nationally for Scotland and beyond. The deep retrofit will focus on fabric first and energy efficiency measures, and also transitioning to zero carbon heating emission system. This is not going to be an easy task, carrying out a full deep retrofit, but we are going to share the journey with industry, and it's an opportunity for industry to learn from the challenges that will be faced when carrying out a deep retrofit. So this project has been really fast paced, and we've been mobilising it since spring right throughout the year, and really working to fast-paced deadlines, which comes with its own complexities around time. But our amazing team are all working together to ensure that we are meeting the challenges that industry are faced with, and that allows us to understand the pressures that industry are under as well.